We're now in the pole barn. This is low enough where I can touch it. I didn't try to build it super tall. For money saving purposes, I made it short enough to use the minimal amount of wood. My boat or my Rambler would clear just fine going in here. So there really wasn't a necessity to make it much taller. Next thing I'm going to do is get a saw. I'm going to saw off the top edges of these pieces that are sticking up a little bit. And then we can move on to running. Well, first thing I'm going to do is put a tarp over it for water protection. And then we're going to run some cross pieces. And then put some tin on it. Hold the joy. I'll go get me a suitable saw for that. I may use a chainsaw because it's probably quicker than my little battery powered buzz whatchamacallit saw. I had forgotten that I haven't screwed down this end yet, and I want to put the cross pieces on it to line up the ends up on the high side before I put the screws in the low side. And I also want to cover this thing with a tarp. So I'm going to start from this end and work my way down. Just going to bring a big old 12-foot board up here, run it down the ends long ways. Oh, the joy. I think we're making progress, y'all. Now I'm gonna nail these in down through here. Use that high beam up there, the one I just put up to line these up. I believe now, if I look down through here, they all look like they're lined up very well. I think that was the right way to go.